welcome to my channel No Physics with me. Hope all are doing good. Yes. So today we'll start up with a fresh topic, which is time, speed and distance. So previously we ended up with pipes and cistern concept. We covered almost all types of questions related to pipes and cistern, before which we saw time and work concept too. So those who have missed those videos, I'll provide you the link in the description box so that you can click on it and watch it. Okay. Simultaneously, we are covering quants as well as reasoning topic in Tamil too. So those who are interested to watch videos in Tamil, do check out the playlist of the channel so you can find there. Okay. So today we'll see the basics of time, speed and distance. First we'll understand the topic. Then we'll see some basic conversions, which is very important that we have to know. And after which we'll solve some questions. And from next session we'll see different types of questions. Okay. First, we'll understand different terms separately and then how they are interrelated. For that, let's see an example, okay? Let us consider a person at a point A, okay? And he is walking and he reaches a point B, okay? So, how much he covered? Say, let us consider it to be 10 meters, okay? And he takes 5 seconds to cover this distance, okay? So here what is time? Time is nothing but how much time he takes to cover this 10 meters. So here answer is 5 seconds. And what is the distance? He is covering 10 meters. So that is nothing but the distance. And speed is nothing but how much distance he is covering in what time, okay? So here he is covering 10 meters per 5 seconds, okay? So generally we know speed is equal to distance by time, right? So you can interchange and rewrite the formula as time is equal to distance by speed. When you take this here, this will come to denominator, right? And distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay. So any one formula, if you know, you can rewrite and form the other. Okay. So it's better to remember speed is equal to distance by time because we are used to it. Okay. So now speed is nothing but how much distance in how much time he is covering. So distance here is 10 meter, right? 10 meter by 5 seconds. So your answer is, that is your speed is 2 meter per second. He is covering for 1 second, he is covering 2 meters. That's what the speed means, okay? In 1 second he is covering 2 meters. So in 5 seconds he is covering 10 meters. Clear with the concept? Yes. Now we'll look at the units. Okay, so time generally we'll measure in seconds or minutes or hours, right? So for this topic we'll consider only 2 units. One is seconds and other is hours. Okay, we won't consider minutes. You may have a doubt, so when they ask question related to minutes, they might ask, but don't worry, that time we'll just convert it to seconds or hours depending on our question. Okay. And next, distance. Distance can be measured in centimeter or meter, kilometer, decameter, decimeter, hectometer, whatever it may be. So here we will generally consider only 2 units. One is meter and another is kilometer. Clear? Now speed. See, speed is equal to distance by time. So meter per second or kilometer per hour. So these are the 2 units that we generally use for this topic. Clear with this? For time we'll use either seconds or hours, and for distance we'll use meter or kilometer, and speed we'll use this combination, meter per second, kilometer per hour. Okay. More than this we won't use because we'll convert into either of this and then proceed with our problem. Okay. Now we'll understand conversion, that is converting from one unit to another. Okay. So this is very important. So listen to this very carefully because our questions will be mostly related to these kind of conversions too. Okay. So 5 kilometer per hour I'll have to convert to meter per second. That is my duty. Okay. So 5 you will keep as such. Okay. And first convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay. So kilometer to meter. You know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? You'll be knowing. When 1000 meters join together you'll have 1 kilometer. Right? So that is what here it is. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here I'll have to convert to kilometer to meter only. So into 1000. correct? Divided by, I'll have to convert hour to second, okay? So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So I will have to convert this hour to seconds. What I will do? 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds, which is equal to 3600 seconds. Clear with this concept? See, in 1 hour I have 60 minutes, in 1 minute I have 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. So here I will have to convert hour to second. So divided by 3600. Okay, so cancel it. 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. Okay, so 5 into 5 by 18. So keep this as such, which is 25 by 80. You divide and find the answer. Okay, that is not a big deal. To understand, I am saying this. Okay, so in order to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will have to multiply it by 5 by 18. This is a shortcut. Okay, please do remember this. You will have to multiply it by 5 by 18. So just imagine if you have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, it's just the opposite process, right? So you will have to multiply by 18 by 5. Remember this, so you can easily solve your answers. Okay, every time you need not do this division and all and cancellation and find the answer. Okay, always remember, when you have to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will multiply by 5 by 18, and from meter per second to kilometer per hour, it is 18 by 5. You may get that out, how 18 by 5. See, for 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, right? See, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, right? Taking this 1000 down, it will be as 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 1 by 1000, again seconds to hours. Seconds to hours, what you will have to do? 1 by 3600, correct? So again 1 by 3600 means you will get it as 3600 by 1000. Okay, so when you cancel, you get it as 18 by 5. Clear how we got 18 by 5? Yes. So always remember these two terms. When you have to convert from higher to lower, your numerator will be lower. Think like that. So 5 by 18. When lower to higher, that is meter to kilometer, 18 by 5. Yes, note this down. Kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will have to multiply it by 5 by 18. And meter per second to kilometer per hour, you will have to multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay. Now we will directly get into questions. A car moves at a speed of 80 kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. What is the speed of the car in meter per second? So you try to solve it by yourself. So 80 you will keep it as such. Kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will have to multiply it by 5 by 18. Okay. So 2 9s are 18, 40. Right. So 200 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18, remaining 2. Again 9 2s are 18, remainder 2. So check for your answer. If it is 22 2 by 9, that is if it is in fraction, you can write like this, or if it is decimal, you proceed by keeping decimal point and continuing here. Okay. So your speed is 22 2 by 9 meter per second. Clear? Next question. A car is traveling at 30 kilometer per hour, and how much distance it will cover in 2 hours. Okay. So speed they have given as 30 kilometer per hour, and distance they are asking, and time they have given it as 2 hours. Okay. So see, it is all in same unit. Okay. If it is meter per second, and here if it is given in hours, you will have to convert it to same unit. Here it is given as same unit only, hours and hours. So no conversion is necessary. So here you will just substitute the value and find the answer. Okay. So distance, speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time, right? So speed is 30 into time is 2, sorry. So 60 kilometer. Correct? Yes. Next question, try to solve it by yourself. Okay, person crosses a 600 meter long street in 5 minutes. Okay, so distance they have given it as 600 meter. and time they have given it as 5 minutes. Okay, so listen to this carefully. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? So they are asking speed in kilometer per hour. Right? So see here it is in minutes. So once we convert this to seconds, you have meter and seconds. So you can easily convert it to kilometer per hour, right? So first convert this time to seconds. So you know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 60, right? Which is equal to 300 seconds. So time now is 300 seconds. And distance is equal to 600 meter. So speed is equal to distance by time, which is equal to 600 by 300 meter per second. So 2 meter per second is your speed. But we will have to proceed because they are asking it in kilometer per hour. So listen to this carefully. This also they may keep it in option. So don't get confused. Okay. Our question is we'll have to convert to kilometer per hour. So meter per second to kilometer per hour, you will have to multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay. So 36 divided by 5. 5 sevens are 35. Remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. So 7.2 kilometer per hour is your speed. Clear? Yes. Next question. How many minutes does Aditya take to cover a distance of 400 meter if he runs at a speed of 20 kilometer per hour? So distance is 400 meter and speed is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. And our question is time in minutes. Okay, note this carefully. Okay. So, what is the first duty? Check whether you have same units in both. Here it is in meter and here it is in kilometer. So, convert it into meter per second. Then it is easy to find this, right? So, convert the speed into meter per second. How will you convert? 20 into 5 by 8. Sorry, 5 by 80. 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, which is equal to 50 by 9 meter per second. So, now you have converted your speed to meter per second. Now you have same units, right? Meter and meter. So how will you proceed? We want time. Time is equal to distance by speed, right? So distance is 400 meter by speed is 50 by 9 you will get that on taking up it will come to numerator, right? Meter per second on taking up it will be seconds, right? So meter gets cancelled 0 0. 5 8s are 40. 9 8s are 72 seconds. So is this your answer? No, because we found it in seconds and our question is in minutes. So we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. Right? Here we have 72 seconds. So 72 divided by 60 minutes. So 72, when you divide it by 60, 61s are 60, remaining 12. So 112 by 60. Okay, or else if you cancel like this, 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 minutes. Clear? Yes. Next question. A cyclist covers a distance of 750 meter in 2 minutes 30 seconds. So distance is equal to 750 meter. And time is equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds. What is the speed in kilometer per hour of the cyclist? So speed is equal to what in kilometer per hour they are asking. Okay. So first we will convert this to seconds. Okay. Because we need meter per second so that you can easily convert it to kilometer per hour. Right. So first convert this everything into seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. Here you have 2 minutes. That means 60 into 2 which is 120 seconds plus 30 seconds. 120 plus 30 which is 150 seconds. So time you have got in seconds and distance you have got in meters. Okay. So speed is equal to distance by time which is 750 meters divided by 150 seconds. Okay. So 5 times you will get. So 5 meter per second. Right. Now you will have to convert it to kilometer per hour. So meter per second to kilometer per hour you will have to multiply it by 18 by 5 which is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Clear? Yes. Look at the last and the final question. A car is running at a speed of 108 km per hour. What distance will it cover in 15 seconds? So speed is equal to 108 km per hour. And how much distance they are asking, okay? It will cover in 15 seconds. So time is equal to 15 seconds, and the distance they have given options in meters, so obviously you will have to find the distance in meters, okay? So first convert this to meter per second, okay? So speed is equal to 108 into meter per second 5 by 18, okay? 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 9 6 are 54. So 6 5s are 30 meter per second. Now you have converted speed in meter per second and time they have given it as 50 seconds. So find distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 30 into time is 15, which is equal to 450 meters. Clear? Now a question will be displayed here, so I want you to solve it by yourself and give your answers in the comment box. Try practicing more questions related to conversion, because that is the part where we go wrong. Either we will forget the conversion or we will do a mismatch numbers, that is 5 by 18 instead of 18 by 5. That is because of lack of practice. So practice more questions. That will definitely help you out in cracking your answers very easily and very quickly. Okay. So I think you are clear with the basics of time, speed and distance. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.